If your house feels like a toaster oven every summer, here are some quick and easy ways to cool your home down without completely destroying your electricity bill. First, close your blinds and curtains during the hottest parts of the day. A lot of heat comes straight through your windows, especially if the sun is blasting directly inside. Keeping the sunlight out can make a surprisingly big difference. Second, use your ceiling fan the right way. Most people don't realize ceiling fans should spin counterclockwise during the summer. That pushes the air downward and helps create a cooler wind chill effect. Third, avoid using your oven during the hottest hours of the day. Seriously, you'd be amazed how much heat your stove and oven dump into your house. Use the grill outside, air fryers, crock pots, or cook later in the evening if possible. Fourth, use fans near windows strategically. At night, when it cools down outside, place a fan facing out of one window, pushing hot air out of the house. Then crack another window somewhere else to help pull cooler air in. It actually works really well. Fifth, replace dirty air filters. A clogged HVAC filter restricts airflow and makes the system work harder while cooling less effectively. That means more stress on your AC and more money leaving your wallet. And finally, if your AC still isn't keeping up, if your house stays hot, if certain rooms feel like a sauna, or your system sounds like it's fighting for its life, call a professional. Marsh Heating and Cooling can inspect your system, identify problems early, and help keep your home comfortable before the real summer hits. Call Marsh Heating and Cooling at 814-758-0036. With that, we encourage you to stay hydrated and follow for more home tips, HVAC advice, and simple ways to protect your home and wallet.